So hello friends, welcome again to a new HTML video. So today we are again gonna do HTML form element. Okay, so as you all guys know, these days we are doing HTML form. I have already made 3 videos on HTML form. Okay, so this is the 4th video of HTML form, and I hope that you guys know that we are doing CSS advanced programming. So these programs are gonna be of advanced program. So I hope that you guys like this program. So before starting the video, do like this video and subscribe the channel. So without wasting any more time, let's get started with today's video. So as you can see in the display screen, today we are going to do HTML form, and today this is the first program as you can see in the display. So let's start with today's program. So let's copy the program, and as you know, I will paste this one in our node plus, and then we will run this. Okay, so as you can see, I've pasted this. Now I'll save in my that HTML file. As you can, these files are there. These are old files, so I'm gonna delete this file. Okay, come on, get select. Acha, wait a minute. Delete this, delete this, delete this, delete this. So now I'm gonna save this file by one.html, as it is our first program of today. So I have saved the file. As you can see, the file is saved. Now I'm gonna open the file. So let's see what is the output. So as you can see, this is the output. So before the output, let's see what is the program says. Then we look to the output. Acha, what the output says? The output is all about rest button in HTML form element. Okay, reset button. Sorry, rest button. What I saying? Reset button. Okay. Now let's see how did we reset button. How did we make this program? Okay. So as you can see, this is the program. This is the entire program. So let us understand this. So first we have used HTML tag and we have used body tag. And as you know, we are doing HTML form. We are not doing CSS or CSS editing like that. So as we are not doing editing, so I'm not using the heading tag here, because here is no use of the heading tag. Okay. So I have used directly. I have gone to the body tag and I have given the heading. As you can see, reset button, the heading is shown. Then a small para is written. As you can see, the small para. Then comes the real thing, the real syntax. So what the syntax says gives. Let's see this. What the syntax says. So there is from action. This is the syntax equals to quotation oblique action page dot php. So this is the main syntax. You have to write this for running this program. Okay. Now we have gone to. Now we have done label. So we have used label tag. Now we have written that bracket level for equals to first name, bracket close. For then we have written first name. Then we have a colon. Then we have closed label tag. Okay. Then we have given br tag for line break, and then we have used input type tag. Okay. For giving input or for giving the names or for giving something input to the computer. Input type tag equals to text. Text that is written, anything can be a text, and we have written that id equals to first name, and then name equals to first name in quotation, value equals to John, or you can give anything whatever you want in the value. Okay, and if you want, you can cut from here and you can edit also. Okay, no need of just editing in the notepad. So likewise, I have used this tags 2 times. As you can see, first name, last name, John and Doe. Okay, so these tags are used for 2 times. Level 1 input for first name, level 2 and input type for the last name. Okay, 4 times we have used this. Now we have used input type submit for this submission, and then we have used input type tag for this reset. Okay, so this is how we made this. And lastly, we have a small para. For that we have used p tag, and we have closed all body and HTML tag. Okay, so this is how we make. and HTML reset button programming. So our first program is done. Now let's go to the second program. Now the second program is here. As you can see, this is our second program. This is all about checkboxes. As you can see, the heading is checkboxes. So without wasting any more time, let's see this what the program says. So I'm gonna copy this entire program. So you can see I have copied and the mouse is working good. So I've pasted this. Now let's save it by 2.html. I have saved this file. As you can see, the file is saved. Now let's open this file and see the output. Then we will compare. So the output, as you can see, this output checkboxes, the input type checkboxes defines a checkbox. So a bike, a car, a boat, how to box a check. I don't know the meaning of checkbox, but by seeing the program, I think you have an idea what a checkbox means, right? So let's see how did we do this program. So basically I've used body tag, and under body tag I've given heading and I've written a small para, as you can see, and then we come to the real syntax or the real part of the program. So we have used again from action equals to, this is the main syntax you have to write for any HTML font, okay, any HTML form programming. Then we have used the input type tag equals to checkbox equals to ID vehicle 1, name vehicle 1, and the value of the vehicle is bike. So you have to write like this. And then we have used label tag, label for hello vehicle 1 in quotation, which is I have a bike. We change this and this line will also change, right? So this way we have done this 3 times, this entire process 3 times, and we have made like this. And lastly we have used the input type tag for submit, for this writing value equals to submit form. So guys, this programmings are, the HTML form is a very easy thing, very easy thing, and it's important to while you do any program like this, you need this type of, whenever you make web pages like this, you need this program to know. Okay, so for today only this much. I hope you like this video, and if you have got any knowledge from this video, then do like, share and subscribe with your friends. Share with your friends and subscribe it to yourself. Please do this, and bye bye, see you in the next video soon, and stay tuned for the rest videos which are coming very soon. Bye bye.